Now let's do a population growth model. It turns out the US is growing at about 1% per year these days. Let's just use a time step size of 1 year. We'll track the number of people in the population in terms of millions so we don't have lots of zeros flying around. Let's use 300 million. I think it's really more like 330 these days, but close enough. And 1% growth per year. So we'll just switch to our spreadsheet and let's rename this one. This was compound interest. And then I'm going to right click on the tab, move or copy, create a copy. So all the work I did in setting up graphs pays off, and this will be US population growth. We're still growing at 1% per year, but it's not exactly an interest rate, so we'll retitle that. What's our delta formula now? Well, it's still basically the same thing, it's just not interest rate, it's growth rate. And people are not dollars, is what people tell me. So instead of current balance, we'll call it current population. We forgot before to say this was in years. And population is now in millions. And we'll put 300 here. But it just formatted it as dollars, and a good general principle in spreadsheets is if it's dollars, format it in dollars, and if it's not dollars, do not format it in dollars. So we'll highlight all of these and change them to just general numbers. Maybe we'll show a little less decimals. And just like that, we're done. We got another graph here with an R-squared of 1, which means we must be excellent data analysts. And it's behaving basically the same way as the compound interest model.